Here's another one you can do just sitting in a chair or on a stool. Again, put the pillow between your knees so the knees are being pushed together. And you just sit there with your back straight, upright, head back, shoulders back, and just sit there and push your knees together. I would do this about 40 times. And after you do that, then I would go up and down on your heels and toes, up and down, another 40 times. It's a very good strengthening exercise, a very good one to align things, align your legs and your knees. And there's another one that I do where you take one leg over the other knee and sit just like this for 1 minute. And that helps the movement in the hip and in the buttocks. Then you do the same thing with your other leg on top of the other, another minute. Each one of these things you can do about a minute at a time, occasionally 2 minutes, really not much more than that. But they're all beneficial. They'll all help straighten you out. And remember that doing a movement in one part of the body, like the shoulder, will help the back. Doing it in the knee will help the hip. Each part that you help helps another part. The body's all connected. That's the thing that will develop as you keep doing this, is that all the parts will work together.